Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Swann Security app not working. So if you're currently having that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did myself was that I firstly closed the app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And now on my settings app, then what I did in here is that I scrolled down and I clicked on general. And in here I scrolled down once again and then I clicked on storage. And now we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load all the apps. Now when all the apps are done, you're just going to scroll up like this until you can see the search bar up top. Click on the search bar. Now you're going to search for Swann. So you can see, so you should be able to get the Swann Security app here and just click on it. Then just click on Offload app and once again click on Offload app. Just wait a couple of seconds and click on the blue button here once again, because now what will happen is that you're going to automatically update your Swann Security app to its absolute latest version. So wait for it to update, and then when it's done you can go back into the app, and this actually fixed it for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.